again. Yeah, and please ride safe and let's enjoy and let's have a good coffee after lunch.
Alright.
My name is VarnVarn Intro. I am the actress and trained to be a cyclist. I'm from Bangkok.
Alan? Yan boy. Yeah.
Yeah, quite challenging. I'm glad that everyone made it like safe, and I hope you guys all enjoy it. And thanks. Please give it a hand to Daniel. I know it's a bit much. Yeah, so next time I'll make sure that I come during the weekend so that do something fun together. And yeah, more people, we can do something fun together. So this time I bring a little souvenir. I bring like quite a few, so I would like to give to the lady first because there are two ladies that joined. So it's like a mini bag, and this bag is supporting like Thai local people, and inside I'm not sure you're a fan of like inhaler.
Yeah,
And, yeah, it's very cute. Yeah. You're very
That's why we need men's right. Yeah. Equality for men now.
Next, we run on my social media, that, like I said, my sweet one on Instagram, Facebook fan page, TikTok, and YouTube. Definitely come back here because I believe so much more for me to explore, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Next time bring her facing him.
Facing him.
Thank you.
'Mimpi adalah kunci untuk kita menaklukkan dunia. Berlarilah tanpa lelah sampai engkau meraihnya. Laskar Pelangi takkan terikat waktu. Bebaskan mimpimu di angkasa, warnai bintang di jiwa.
So my ending video will be 1-1. So what can you
Thank
say?
you so much, and so follow the channel and then hope to ride together next time too. Take care.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.
Cinta kepada hidup memberikan senyuman abadi walau hidup kadang tak adil tapi cinta lengkapi kita.
Oh,